I call this a bait car. This is a ghost car. It's been in Venice, different neighborhoods. Somebody put a car there. It's a bait car. Nothing in it. Got it. I think they have it for, if you see it a few blocks away, you're going to think it's a cop car there. It's all around Venice, the ghost police car, and I think it's prevention. If you see a block away, you say the cops are there. So it's basically a good idea. The bait police car in Venice. I've seen it all over Venice. It's not working. It's gutted, but it is the bait car, ghost car. This is on Rose and Lincoln, by the old laundromat. All right, right there. Okay, folks, talk to you later.